As a dad of a pathologically demand avoidant child, was it difficult for you to believe in PDA?
I just thought our son was being manipulative. I knew he could walk and do the things that he said he couldn't do. I didn't want to carry him every time he said his legs didn't work.
So what made you shift your perspective?
My perspective shifted as I started to see Cooper in situations where I could just tell it actually really was out of his control. You know, I always remember this time he wanted to climb this tree. It was a little tree, and I had sort of like helped him get up into the initial branches of it. And then he basically had a panic attack. Like, he got really freaked out, and all he needed to do was like move one foot from like one branch to another, and it was like 6 inches. And he really wanted to do it. You know, it was his activity. Like, I didn't tell him he needed to climb a tree. And he just said, like, I can't do it. Like, my leg won't work. I can't move my foot. And he was crying, and he was sort of like starting to like grunt and growl. And it was what we now call like a cognitive loop. Like, he was just stuck. He really wanted to climb that tree, and his body really wasn't letting him. Like, he was truly sort of paralyzed up there.